Everyone, my name is Mayasari. I'm from test grade TJKT 1. Here I will tell you how to crimp the UTP cable and the order of the cross.
Work step 1. Process. Cut the UTP cable as needed using crimping pliers. Hold the end of the cable, then peel the rubber protective cable with crimping pliers, so that only the inner cable remains. Separate the twisted wires one by one and straighten each cable. Sort each cable color with the order of the cable cross. Cut the cable with a distance of 1.5 cm from the outside, then insert it into the HG45 connector. Insert the HG45 pin that has been wired into the crimping pliers, then press the two handles of the crimping pliers firmly so that the press pin on the HG45 presses the UTP cable and the loop presses the outer cable. After successful, remove the cable from the crimping pliers and check whether the cable and the press on the HG45 are properly connected to the same on the other end. To result, the correct final condition is that the outer rubber of the UTP cable is also unlocked into the cable lock on the HG45, so that if the cable is pulled, it is not easily separated from the connector, like on land tester, like up according to the wiring scheme made.